So what's this thing about the allegation of being an Naxalite?
I don't know, you must ask the allegation, the one who made the allegation.
But
I have nothing to say on that.
What's the truth of it in that sense?
There is no truth in that. There is only falsehood.
There's no link with the party or the ideology?
No link with ideology, no link with party. In fact, my party is Goa Swaraj Party.
And what's your involvement with the mining agitation?
I've been following up mining agitations, the mining movement since April 2001, and this is my, in fact, the 9th year that I've entered. And in the 9th year, the movements have really picked up and is beginning to coordinate with various other movements in the state and also in the rest of India. And it has really began worrying establishment.
When you say worrying the establishment, what do you mean?
Worrying in terms of a generation of new leadership, generation of new information, and generation of threats to the political systems.
I see. In terms of mining, how do you see it affecting the average Goan in rural Goa today?
No, it is devastating. The villages are going under mining, and if all the mining leases are activated, we will have nearly 30% of Goa just wiped off from Goa's map. And plus, the coastal Goa depends upon hinterland Goa for water, and there will be no water for the rest of Goa as well. So mining has to stop. Sooner it stops, better it is.
Which are the main areas affected by mining in Goa today?
In North Goa, we have Bicholim, we have Sattari Taluka, we have Ponda Taluka, we also have Sangye Taluka, we have Kyapen Taluka. These are the main areas.
But the argument is that Goa is, has mining as backbone. It's too late to stop. How would you respond to such an argument?
No. Goa, first of all, is not a backbone of Goa's economy. In fact, it has devastated Goa's backbone. That is, agriculture has been the Goa's backbone of Goa's economy. It has been completely finished off. So it is only myth that has been propagated by mining companies and vested interests.
In terms of employment, what would be the figure and any alternatives to that?
No, as far as employment is concerned, the need for water takes preference to need for employment.
What are your plans for the future? Where do you see the movement against mining going from here?
Mining movements will continue to grow because people's life, people's agriculture, everything is getting affected. And now they are networking even more. They will be even more threat and even more intensified as I see it in the years to come.
Has the opposition been playing a proper role, an oppositional role on mining?
No, not at all. Opposition is completely dead as far as Goa State Legislative Assembly is concerned. The leader of the opposition, the way he is behaving.
You mean on mining they are not taking a stand?
They are not taking a stand. They are behaving completely as a stooge of the mining companies.
Thanks.
Welcome.